Our lives run through our mobile devices, and every day, it seems, even greater capabilities are making their way to the palm of our hand. Among them is Verasys by Johnson Controls, which provides efficient building control intelligence for the light commercial market. As a light commercial building owner, operating, and more importantly, maximizing traditional HVAC equipment can be complicated. That complexity usually forces you to use the brand's dealer, taking vendor choice off the table. So the price goes up, and the level of support for your building goes down. Simple, powerful, and straightforward, Verasys changes all of that. Verasys native controllers are suitable for single or multi-zone HVAC applications, lighting, refrigeration, and any ancillary devices. Verasys third-party controllers can connect to any HVAC single or multi-zone systems, all using a universal device that's probably within your reach right now. The Verasys system is intuitive, meaning no exhaustive training courses or certifications, no expensive, confusing software to master, and no more reliance on the installer to manage your building's ecosystem. And with the Smart Building Hub, accessing and managing a building's ecosystem can be done either on-site or remotely via the cloud. It really is so simple and so easy that, with Verasys, anyone on your team can be the building controls expert. To learn more about Verasys, visit our website or contact your authorized Johnson Controls sales representative for all the details.